welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little haul for you. I kind of have like a really random haul. I really wanted to pick up more of these guys. These are the Gel Play and I'm obsessed with them. You may have seen my haul already. Oh, I don't think I put them on my swatch sticks. I haven't. I'm a bad haul person, but it's these guys. It is the ones that are like super foily, and I picked up some more. I really gotta find my other swatches. You know, I can be a mess sometimes. So we're going to swatch them and I'll do comparisons. I'm not going to really have comparisons for these guys. I maybe pewter can go to silver, but I mean, these are gonna be beautiful on their own, but we'll start here. So this is Full Spectrum Hottie.
We about to turn it on.
Fun fact, that did not come off with soap and water. I had to come in, use lint-free wipes, and anyway, we're here. It's fine. I'm so glad they went away with that. So I'm going to take my color. This is just the oval. And this is an old color. So I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's just a really pretty, I would say this is a pretty good Christmas red, like OG Christmas red. Again, you can do it thinner, thicker, depending. I tend to do my swatches thicker just so I can do one coat. It's just out of habit, I think. But just look how pretty that is. I hope that's coming out true to color. This definitely has a more orange base, but it's still, I don't know if that's coming out. That's probably better, but it's still a red. It's just an orangey red. All right, let's do this. So there is Ideal Builder, which is their new builder gel. I liked it because it was super pink. I don't know if you saw my birthday nails, but this is in between like the super pink one they have, the pink one, and then like the light pink. I have the light pink one. It is soft pink extreme. So that's that pink. So let's do this one first and then we'll get to French Tip, which I chose over the Ideal White. Oh, this is so pretty. This is gonna be pretty on its own. Yeah, see how much better that pull off tab? This is like literally brand new. So this is the Ideal Pink Builder and this is Soft Pink Extreme. So this is the one I used in the birthday nails, and then this is the new one they came out with. Look just how pretty these are. They have like, I feel like their products are like untouchable. I'm not gonna swatch Ideal Pink just because it's going to be like a clear-ish pink, and you can see the viscosity of this bad boy. There's like a little movement, so the self-leveling will be very minimum on that guy. And then we have French Tip, and this one, so I got this instead of Ideal White. So I wanted this guy because he was a little bit softer. Oh no, I touched that right again. My trash can's right next to me, so I just like, ooh, sorry. Shiny object. Yeah, I don't know if there's a way for me to get around that now. So this is a little bit softer. So let me go, this is Just White Buttercream. So I don't know if you can see the difference, but this guy is not gonna move. I literally could leave him like that the whole video and it not move at all. See, doesn't move. Sorry, is that a focus? I know white on white on white is hard, but this guy does not move. So let me grab my white. And you know what, I will swatch this, but this guy is perfect for that baby boomer French, just anything French, I feel like. And this, I find, is going to be amazing. I watched a tutorial on how to do baby boomer nails, or like the ombre pink and white, and they use like this specific color, and man, was it beautiful. Just beautiful. So essentially I'm going to have to leave that. I may do it a little bit thicker so I can go in and buff and top coat it, because this does not like self level almost at all. Like I have a feeling when I open the jar next time, like you're not even seeing it, that little ridge there will still be there. So I'm gonna cure this guy. All right, I lied. I'm going to swatch this pink. I don't think I have any of my other ones swatched, but I'm going to. And I'm using my clear brush because I still find, I like consider this a clear, even though it's clearly, haha, get it? It's clearly not clear, but I mean, it kind of is. It's just, it's light and I can get away with it. Oh, this is so pretty. I think I may be boring and just use this on my next nails. Like, look how pretty that's going to be. I feel like it's not even focusing on this. It might be. I'm gonna move that out of frame, so maybe that will help. I'm taking another glob, essentially doing it as if I were doing kind of a pink and white, just so I can get it thicker. But this stuff does not budge. Yes, I do my swatches really thick, especially something that I'm trying to build up. Obviously, there probably won't be this much gel when I am done, because I will take it off. But because this swatch stick now looks crazy. But I want it to be as close as possible as if I'm building a nail. Again, this one may need to be filed because it's such a thick viscosity. Now, moving on to glitters. Put all this away. All right, so this was a pack. I didn't buy it in a pack. You can get it in a pack. I wasn't sure the sizes, so I just bought them individually. I think you can just buy it in a pack and be fine. Again, I bought them individually. And then I have the white gold, which is silver, and then I have the rose gold, and I didn't have the gold because every time it's been sold out. So I've had to buy these essentially individually whenever they became available. These are just so pretty. Like, they give me all the feels. This one is down there quite a bit though. Again, you don't need to mix these up. I'm mixing it up because it looked a little low and I wanted to make sure it was all the way down there. This seems like it's going to be like a light champagne gold. Sorry, my brush in the way. Again, if you guys have been watching me or any of my nail videos, I hate when things touch the top. Yeah, this is definitely a light champagne-y gold, and I'm like skimming it down. I usually do that in all my tutorials to show. You can do a super thin layer, but like I said, I don't do these guys thick because you don't want them to do it too thick, but I want it to be a one coat because it's a swatch. It's not a big deal, but I would do 2 thin coats on a person. Oh. Okay, so that is 24 karat gold. This is green. What? I'm a mess. This is why we can't have nice things. Now this is pretty. I expected it to be way more green though. I'm not gonna lie. Like I expected this to be a green. There is quite a bit of separation down there. I probably should. Oh my God, this is stunning. I'm like blown away by these. These are just so unique in the way like these are formulated. Like look, oh, I'm not even in where my focus is, I'm sorry. All right, let's do blue tanzanite. I like that these are all after gems. I don't know if I said peridot, green peridot. Come on, let's not have a fail. There we go. Oh my God, I already love it. Okay. Oh yes, 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 yes. Now, this one I definitely think needs a stir. Sorry, I guess I could stir it in focus. That would be nice, wouldn't it? I probably should have stirred the other one, but you got the picture. It's pretty close. Let's do this. Make sure I'm in frame where the color is. There we go. OMG. Do you need a moment? Because I sure do. Cause holy gatos. That was beautiful. Let's do garnet. So we got purple garnet. So pretty, but needs a stir. So pretty. These are definitely airy gels. They're not like, I don't know how do you describe that? Okay, yes, that is beautiful. This is gonna be great for like Halloween time. I know we are in March and Halloween is far away. However, I like to think ahead. It's always this one spot. Am I like too rough there? That might be my favorite. Which I don't know if says something because they're all really pretty. Let's do pink diamond. Pretty, just like all the other ones. So pretty. This would be really nice to kind of go on like a boring nail. Like, you know, if you do some like really baby pink and kind of want to spice it up, I feel like that would look really pretty on it. The second to last one, this is yellow citrine. This is actually really pretty. Like really pretty. Wow. I'm really glad I got this one. Like, look how pretty that is. All right, this next one was probably my most anticipated, pewter. Pewter quartz to be exact. See, I think it's when they're not like over, like the last one was over, I could get it. But your girl struggles, okay? All right. Oh, didn't even need to do that one. Yep, I'm really excited for this one. It's just so pretty. Oh yeah. Just like a really pretty light gunmetal. You know what might even be cool, although you guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy, is take a clear, like Cool Gel, One Step, and maybe take like a black or like a really dark gray and put it on it and have it go over it so it kind of makes it like darker, more gunmetal-y to add a little definition or like a fade. Just saying.